Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows 10 error. Something happened, installation error. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, search Control Panel, open Control Panel. Now here select View by category, then underneath Clock and Region, click on Change Date, Time or Number Formats. Now here guys select your recommended language or select English US in this list. Also guys, click on Administrative, select here Change System Local and select in this list English US. Then click on OK. Now here, now close it, click on Start, then Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. Now here select English US from this list. If you not have, so add a language and download and install English US. After installation, click on this three dot, click on language options. Here guys select US quality. Add a keyboard and select English quality. So this is the setting guys, you can fix and resolve Windows error, something happened, installation error. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.